Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you for the Zodiac Rooster in 2023, which is the year of Water Rabbit. If you are born in the following period, your Zodiac is a Rooster, and you have so many beautiful advantages. And these 6 of them for your reference. Okay, the first one, which is Zodiac Rooster, have a really good people skill. So when they're in a team, they're really a good team player. Then they can adapt to different team and then to help the team to run smoothly. And then they know other people really well, and they take care of other people's emotional needs. So this is really good for a team. Okay, the second advantage, which is the loyalty. Rooster will be loyal to the fans, to family, to the spouse. So if you have a friend which is a Zodiac Rooster, you need to cherish it because he or she is a really good, like a friend with you, will not betray you. Okay, the number 3. The number 3 is for Rooster, they have a really stable personality, emotional stable, other thing is stable, so it's not really bad. Okay. The next thing is efficiency. When Zodiac, like a Rooster, want to fix something, have a task to finish it, he'll show his like a high efficiency and get the job done. So it's good for them, and then it's good for the company, it's good for the team too. Okay, the next thing is when Zodiac Rooster want to do something, when they decide, they will just make up their mind. They're so decisive. And then they won't change. They won't easily change once they make up their mind. So it's good to get the job done and then to fulfill the target. No matter in the middle, there's so much obstacle or challenge, doesn't matter. They will handle it. Okay, the last one. The last one is in the bottom of their heart. Zodiac Rooster have a really gentle and humble like a heart. So we show their good people skill, personality, so it's all in like a good advantage for Zodiac Rooster. And okay, there's also some disadvantage, which is the congenital one. And these 3 of them for your reference. The first one is sometimes, but not always, Zodiac Rooster will be so much stubborn and subjective. Once they decide they think it is correct, it's really tough for them to change it. So they have something good, they have also something in a negative side. Okay, the second characteristic is for Zodiac Rooster, they always like to go on their own way. Maybe their thoughts, their thinking is different from others, they don't care. They just follow their heart and go on their way. Okay, the next item is sometimes in their life, there are lots of ups and downs. It seems to be not really fair for Zodiac Rooster, but in their life it's like there's a lot of unexpected ups and downs and challenge to them, especially this year. But before we do that, we need to keep going. Okay, the next item I would like to share with you is for the business partner. If you are Zodiac Rooster, you need to find snake and ox to join a good team. So Rooster, snake and ox together, they will form a strong, stable, efficient team. In terms of if you want to find your a soulmate, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, dragon is the best for Rooster. And please stay away from rabbit, Rooster itself, and dog. Those 3 Zodiac is not really good. There's some Zodiac is good to themselves. Let's say rat and rat is no problem. And then but Rooster and Rooster together, they will have a problem. So if you're Rooster, stay away from Rooster. That will help. Okay, the next item I would like to share with you is the timing issue. Here is the good timing for you. Every single day from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. are your good luck timing. So anything important, schedule your appointment in those good luck timing. It will definitely help. Anything good, anything just really special, you need to schedule them using the good luck timing. It will definitely help. And then stay away from those bad luck timing, which is every single day from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. and then from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., which is not really good for you. For 2023, this is the year of the water rabbit, and your zodiac is a rooster, so you are against the Tai Shui, and there's a lot of ups and downs, lots of challenge to you. And in this year, unfortunately, there's no single auspicious star shining, so make the case even worse. And there's a 4 inauspicious star which is affecting you. The first thing is a Shui Po. That star is particularly not really good for your money luck. Will you make sure you have a lot of unexpected expenditure, unexpected like a cost to you. The other is a Dai Ho. It's also not really good for your financial. The next thing is a Lan Gon. It's not really good for your career, not really good for your daily life. It will bring lots of ups and downs, lots of challenge and obstacle to you. Okay, the last one is a joy side. We have some disaster thing will happen to you. Those are 4 inauspicious ones. Okay, the overall forecast for this year, there will be full of challenge. So you need to prepare for that one and avoid visiting some like undeveloped country or unsafe location. Don't go there. It will hurt you. And this year, you need to take it easy, and then there's some unexpected thing will happen. Just be like take an easy mind and prepare for that one. Avoid making some like a drastic change. Any big move is not a good idea this year. If you're in it, you need to find snake, ox, and dragon. They will help you out. And you need to be really, really careful when March, August, September, this 3 months is not really good for you. Be careful for driving, to cross the street, to cook the food, anything you want to do, just make sure that you are safe, don't get hurt. Okay, the next item is the financial forecast. Because this year is not really good for you, so I suggest you take a really, really conservative way for investment, and do not overspending, do not easily trust anyone, and do not lend money to anyone unless you prepare that, hey, you lend the money to the guy, maybe you lost the money, and then you will lose the friendship too. So think twice before you do that. And the next thing is the career forecast. There will be tons of like a workload and pressure, stress over you. So you need to have a peaceful mind. And sometimes you may help accountable for some like a mistake for others. It's totally not related to you, but you need to bear the responsibility. It's not fair to you, but sometimes you need to take that. So this is you need to understand. Okay, the next thing is the love and family forecast. The love energy is not so strong, but it's not too bad. But your personal charm is really good, so you can use your personal charm to help you. And for your family, there will be some unexpected huge expense is coming up, so be prepared for that one. Okay, the last thing is the health forecast. Your health is the top priority, so make sure your health and safe, and you don't drink too much, don't smoke too much. Keep like a regular lifestyle, enough speed, regular exercise. It will definitely help. And I wish you good luck this year. Be safe. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.